Hello folks, welcome back in another video. This time I will be showing you a quick and easy way how you can purchase the items on BlikBuy. In this tutorial you will see how you can buy items on BlikBuy in a matter of a couple of minutes, and it's so easy, so seamless. Let me show you real quick how it's done. So when you log in for the first time to the BlikBuy, this is how it all looks like. Just like on PandaBuy, you have this space where you can put in your links, so that's just so great. Here, as you can see, you have different items, you can browse, and this is how it all works. So first of all, you place your order like on PandaBuy and many different services, and then you have to submit the package. So once the package is submitted, it's in a warehouse, you get a QC pictures and stuff. You get to pay for the international shipping, and then the package gets arrived to you. So it's so simple, safe and easy way how you can purchase items on BlikBuy. Here, as you can see, you also get a ton of different coupon codes for shipping, so that's just pretty great. I like it a lot. They allow you to just save some money on shipping. And yeah, let's purchase the first item. So here, as you can see, we've got some weight and link we want to use and buy from it. So let's copy this thing and let's paste this thing in this space, and let's try to purchase this item. So as you can see now, it all looks like this. You have your flip-flops or whatever you want to buy, and let me choose the size 39. And as you can see, here is also different color options. We have different color options. Actually, we have one only as for this link, so yeah, we'll stick with this one. And as you can see, you also get some QC pictures right over here before purchasing the item as well, so that's just very neat. You can see how different color methods look like and stuff, so it's just very nice. What I miss is the option to translate these Chinese letters so that we could just get to know what's going on here. Alright, so let's purchase this item. Let's click on I have agreed to the above content, and let's buy it. So let's purchase this item, and as you can see here, you have to select the warehouse and the country that you're shipping your item to. Now click on I read and agreed, so let's do it, and let's confirm the submission of this order. Now we can use many different payment methods. As you can see, we can use Visa, MasterCard, or Blik, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Skrill, even the Tether. So if you are the crypto fan, you can use Tether, but I'm going to use the balance, so let's use the balance. And now we have to configure the payment password, so let's do it real quick. Let's pay now, and let's enter the password. And let's submit it. And just like this, I already paid for my order. And let's wait for the other items to arrive in the warehouse, so that in the next video I will show you the QC pictures and the process of just submitting the parcels. Stay tuned for more content like this. If you like this video, please thumbs up, and see you in the next one. Bye.